Okay, today I'm going to be repairing this Sthil TS420 saw. I've got a little goodie bag of parts. I got my coil, the pull cord, the housing, and the pawl. P-A-W-L. So I'm going to start with, this is a 13 mil. Just going to take these off and remove the assembly. Now what I'm going to do is pull this clip out. Pull the pawl out. The washer. That's not really what I meant to do. And there goes that. Pull that out. Okay, so I actually went to, when I got the parts, this piece was actually wrong. The edges weren't like a sprocket shape. I don't know if you can see, it's a little jagged around the edge. I'm not going to pull it out because I don't want the spring to go. But I ended up taking it in. They swapped the spring into the old piece. And now you're going to want to make sure that this is down. And there's a little nub on the spring that's going to sit inside the open part here. All right. Now this washer is going to go down over the top of that shaft. We're going to take our pawl with the pin sticking up, and that's going to slide in right on this open section here. There's a little dowel section there. Okay. And now with this pin, the dowel sticking up is going to go into this section here, the elongated section. So we're going to, okay. So I just clip the straight side over and spread it until it snaps down over top. Now you see how that moves? Okay, and now for the cord. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna slide it in, and it's gonna go right up into the center. It's gonna be a little tricky to get down there. Better with a pick. We're gonna tie a knot and keep it as close to the end as we can. Make sure it's nice and tight. Pull it back through. I have to cut a little bit of that off. We're gonna want to shove it down into the hole down there. Okay. You can see that. Now you're gonna pull it up and keep it in the little, there's a cutout in the side of this. We're gonna keep it in there. We're gonna pull a bunch of this through. And now counterclockwise, one, a little tricky, but we're gonna want to do about 4 or 5 turns, probably 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. And then you're going to pull it back through. We're going to line that hole up. It's going to be a little twisted. And then we're going to take it out of that cutout and let this go. Beautiful. Now if this has play and doesn't snap all the way back in tight, just do one more turn and you'll be good to go. It's back up here. Line it up with the studs. Again with the 13 mil. Now let's start it up. And that's how you repair the pull cord system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.